Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Welcome to Al Huda School. My dear students, today we are going to start our second part of video session of O-Level 6 English Literature. And in the book we have unit number 1, Where We Live Now. My dear students, I told you about the definition of email in the previous lecture, that email is a short form of electronic mail which is mostly used features of the internet along with the web, and it allows us to send and receive messages to and from anyone with an email address anywhere in the world. So my dear friend, this is the definition of email, that people use different sources to send the messages from one place to another place through electronic forum, and among these one forum is email, electronic mail. So now we have got 4 emails. The first email from Sarah to Riba we have discussed, and there were 4 questions we have done also. And now we are going to have the second email, and this email is from Agar to Hassan, and the subject of this email is greeting from Moscow, that is Russia. Privet, let's start. Privet, here in Moscow we have beautiful ancient churches and cathedrals, as well as the famous fortress of the Kremlin. The churches have brilliant golden domes which are very bright in the winter sunshine. In Red Square we have St. Basil's Cathedral, which was built in the 16th century. It has 8 domed chapels, some square, some octagonal, each with a multicolored exterior. It is a wonderful sight. We have world famous art galleries where you can see beautiful Russian portraits and landscapes with their characteristic brisk-tree. In winter, it is many degrees below zero in Moscow. We have deep snow for months, and the Moskva river freezes over. The worst time is at the end of the winter, when the snow starts to melt and we have to walk through deep, wet, dirty brown slush for several weeks. My dear students, I have done the reading session, and now I will be giving you the explanation for this email. There is one person, one boy, that is Agar, and he is sending the email to Mr. Hassan. And what is the email about? The email is about the Russia, the Moscow, okay, Moscow, Russia, and he is giving some information about the Moscow city. What is he saying? That in Moscow there are many ancient churches and cathedrals, as well as fortress of the Kremlin, as well as golden domes, that was brilliant golden domes of that churches. In the same way, he is also saying that domes, the golden domes, shine brightly in the winter sunshine. And in the same way, he is also talking about the St. Basil's Cathedrals, which was built in the 16th century, and he is saying that it has 8 chapels, okay, small cathedrals, chapels, okay, and some are squares in shape, some are octagonals, and all the chapels are multicolored from exterior part. And it is a wonderful sight. He says that when you see these things, you will be astonished, you will be feeling wonderful. The art galleries, world famous art galleries, and the Russian beautiful portraits, landscapes, brick trees. There are many more things which you will enjoy if you just see the, what should I say, if you just see the scene of this Russia, Moscow. Now he is talking about the winter season, that in winter the temperature of Moscow is below zero, many degrees below zero, and Even the Moskva river freezes over and snow stays there for months, not for months, for many months. And the worst thing and the worst time is the end of the winter, when the sunshine gets the snow melt and water comes on the road and people have to walk from one place to another place in that deep, wet, dirty brown slush for several weeks. So this is the explanation of this email. And my dear student, now I am talking about the Urdu translation of the email so that you understand this, because there are many type of students and some students might not have understood the English. So for them I am helping you. यहाँ पर बेटा एगर करके एक शख्स हैं जो हसन को ईमेल कर रहे हैं और रशिया से जो है वो खुशामदीद कह रहे हैं और बहुत सारी बातें बता रहे हैं मॉस्को के हवाले से। वो कह रहे हैं कि मॉस्को में जो है बहुत ही पुराने और ख़ूबसूरत चर्चें और गिरजाघरें मौजूद है और किले वगैरह मौजूद है, जिसमें क्रेमलिन करके जगह है उसमें किले मौजूद है। जो चर्च वहाँ पर मौजूद है उनके जो गुंबद हैं वो गोल्डन कलर के हैं, जो सर्दियों की सुबह सवेरे बेहतरीन तरीके से चमकते हैं। रेड स्क्वायर करके एक जगह है, वहाँ पर सेंट बासिल की कैथेड्रल यानी सेंट बासिल की जो है ना वो एक गिरजाघर है जो 16वीं सदी ईस्वी में उसे बनाया गया था और वहाँ पर 8 जो है वो क्या कहते हैं चैपल्स मौजूद है, छोटी छोटी गिरजाघरें 8 वहाँ पर मौजूद हैं। कुछ जो है वो स्क्वायर शेप के अंदर है यानी उसके 4 कोने हैं, कुछ जो है वो ऑक्टागोनल है जिसके 8 कोने हैं, और साथ साथ यहाँ कह रहे हैं कि ये जो बाहर से जो है ना बेहतरीन तरीके से उनको सजाया गया है। बहुत ज़बरदस्त इसका नज़ारा कह रहे हैं मौजूद होता है। दुनिया की मशहूर तरीन आर्ट गैलरी जो आप रशिया के अंदर देख सकते हैं, पोर्ट्रेट्स हैं, लैंडस्केप्स है, ब्रिक ट्रीज़ है, बहुत खूबसूरत चीज़ें जो है आप वहाँ रशिया में देख सकते हैं मॉस्को में। अब साथ कह रहे हैं कि जब सर्दियों का मौसम आता है तो वहाँ मॉस्को में टेम्परेचर वो ज़ीरो से भी बहुत नीचे होता है, इवन कि बड़ी यानी यूँ समझे कि बर्फ़ जो है ना वो बहुत ऊंचा जम जाता है। दरिया, यहाँ इन्होंने एक दरिया का नाम लिया है जिसका नाम है मॉस्कोवा दरिया भी वहाँ पर फ्रीज़ हो जाता है। और सबसे ख़राब वक्त वो वक्त होता है जब सर्दियों की आखिरी टाइम चल रहा होता है और पानी जो है वो मेल्ट होना शुरू हो जाता है और आराम से वो नीचे गिरता है और लोग उसके ऊपर हफ्तों तक जो है ना उस पानी पे से आना जाना करते हैं। बड़ा जो है ना वो तकलीफ़ दे जो है ना ये टाइम होता है। So my dear student, this is the end of email number 2 and we have got 3 questions for this. Question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. You will be writing these 3 questions in your notebook and the answers of these questions will be present in the email number 2, and I have given you the answer as the first question is in the email from Moscow. Which 3 noun refers to the worship places? Very easy question. There are 3 places: chapels, cathedrals and churches. The third, which adjectives mean having 8 sides? I have told you the answer, octagonal. In the same way, brown slushes for wet, dirty brown slushes for several weeks. So jazakumullahu khair. Is all the things. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.